Okay, I'm not going to get into how to revolve this, but make sure you guys do the revolve command for this. What I want to do is go over how to put the holes in. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to do a new sketch on this surface here. Okay, and then if you look at that drawing, it says the diameter of the center of those holes are 2.25. So there's a number of ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you a couple. I'm going to show you one way, which I think is the easiest. Is you're going to go to the middle of this, okay, and you're just going to draw a 2.25-inch diameter circle, okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put a point. All right, this is something new. It's a different way that we're going to put a circle in, but we're going to use this point command, point center point, mainly a center point for the hole. And then what we'll do is straight up, at this quadrant right here, and it'll kind of lock in. Okay, it'll lock in there, and you're going to put that center point there, and that's the correct distance out from the center of that. So we finish our sketch here, then we go to the hole command, and it should come up with from sketch. Okay, and it usually does. It's smart enough, but if not, then and it should automatically select that and put a hole in there, and then the diameter of this hole is 0.25. Make sure it's through all. Okay, just so happens it's at 0.25, and then it says it's equally spaced. Well, we're going to put the hole in right here for right now, so we'll go to OK, and it's a simple hole. Okay, and we'll go to OK. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use a circular pattern in order to create 8 holes equally spaced. Okay, so we go to circular pattern here. It says feature. So the feature we want to copy in a circular pattern is this hole. Okay, so we'll choose that hole. All right, and then here it says rotation axis. So we choose that. And all we have to do is just either choose this cylinder or this one, either one, because it's gonna rotate it around a center axis, which is just basically the center of this. And we're going to do 8 holes, so 8. So we put in 8, and then see it equally spaces it because we're choosing 360 degrees, which is what it defaults to. But didn't, then change that to 360. Then you go to OK, and then there's your holes. Okay, simple enough. So that's how you do that. And then next, I'm going to show you how to put this into draft like we normally do stuff. All right. So what we're going to do is you go to your English title block, IED title block, sorry, and we're going to just choose an A size sheet. Okay. And what we're going to do is you're going to bring in the different views, just skip all on this, and fill out this information here as far as what it is. Part name for this one, let's just call it practice circular pattern. Okay. Go to OK. Go to OK there. And then we're just going to do our base view. And the base view is going to be this. Okay. I know in our section views we had it was the top view, but we're just going to go ahead. And again, you can move this around. And we'll get our different views. Now you'll notice that the scale is probably a little big. Okay. So we're going to put this at 0.75. Okay. To make it a little bit smaller. All right. That means the scale is 3/4 of an inch equals 1 inch. And go to OK. And then what I want to show you the rest, you're going to just dimension on your own. Oh, you know what? I forgot that hole in the middle there. You guys will have to put that in. I could go back and do that real quick. And to put that hole in, just go to the hole command, do concentric, put the size of it, and which in this case is 0.375. Make sure it's through all, and then just click up here, and then just click the cylinder, and then that does it. And then just save it, and it should update in there. Again, make sure you save it to your drive, and there, it updated it. Now what I want to do is show you how to do this, the center line for this. So you go to annotate, and we want to do this one. Okay, centered pattern. So the first thing it asks is center of circular pattern down here in the lower left hand corner. So you just choose this, okay, and then click on a location, okay, where you want to start. So I always just go to this center here and then come back all the way around to this one. Click that, and then you can move this around till you get it just right. So it goes all the way around. And if you want to move this around, your right mouse click and go to create. You can drag this, selecting it and drag it around so it goes all the way around like that. That's it.